Prophet Shuaib is one of the prophets mentioned in the Quran. He was sent down to the people of Madyan. His story is recounted in multiple places in the Quran, especially in Surah Al-Araf, Surah Hud, and Surah Ash-Shu'ara. The people of Madyan were descendants of Midian, one of the sons of Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam, known as Abraham in Christianity. Though they were descendants of a prophet, they became deeply involved in corruption, cheating in trade, and idol worshipping. Prophet Shuaib was known for his gentleness and persuasion. He stood up and told the people to, number one, worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. He reminded his people that they should stop worshipping idols and turn to Allah, who created them. In Surah Hud, it says, "O my people, worship Allah, you have no deity other than Him." Number two, be honest in business. The people of Madyan were known for fraudulent trading, using short measures and false weights to cheat others. In Surah Hud, it says, "Give full measure and weight and do not deprive people of their due." And number three, do not spread corruption. He warned them not to corrupt the land with dishonesty and injustice after it had been set right. In response to this, the people mocked Shuaib, calling him weak and threatening to stone him if he didn't stop preaching. In Surah Hud, it says, "Does your prayer command that we should abandon what our fathers worshipped or stop doing what we want with our wealth?" They were arrogant, rejected his message, and refused to change their ways. When they continued their denial, Allah's punishment came upon them. A terrible earthquake struck the people of Madyan, and they were left lifeless in their homes. In Surah Al-Araf, it says, "So the earthquake seized them, and they became lifeless bodies in their homes. Shuaib and the believers were saved by Allah's mercy." There are key lessons to learn from the story of Prophet Shuaib alayhis salam. Honesty in business is vital in Islam. Our religion emphasizes fairness in trade and condemns deceit. We must have respect for our messengers. Mocking or opposing prophets has always led to the destruction of previous communities. We should follow the right path with honesty. Just because our forefathers did something like idol worshipping, that doesn't mean it's right. We should follow the truth of Islam, not ancestral blindness.